Hi, this is Janet ng Pinoy Cooking Recipes. Let's make Kababayan bread. I experimented on how to achieve the salakot and it's effective. Kababayan is known for its salakot shape. This Kababayan bread is extra soft and moist. Let's begin. In a large bowl, combine 1/2 cup evaporated milk, 1/2 cup water, 3/4 cup sugar, and 2 large eggs. Next, add 1/2 cup melted butter and 2 teaspoons vanilla. Give it a good mix, then sift 2 cups all-purpose flour. Next, add 2 teaspoons baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Stir until well incorporated. Now, add a few drops of yellow food color and mix well. Next, in a separate bowl, combine 1/2 cup of vegetable shortening and 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. And this is how I made an experiment. 6 cavities were generously greased with shortening mixture and the other 6 cavities were brushed with margarine. Now, fill each cavity with batter about 3/4 full. Bake in a preheated oven 350F or 176C for about 20 to 25 minutes. As you can see, there's a big difference on the shape depending on what we use to grease the pan. Successful salakot shape when using vegetable shortening mixed with flour. Just showing you my first attempt. Baked at 450F for 8 minutes. Lowered temperature to 350F another 10 minutes. But it didn't create the salakot shape that I like. So really, it's not on the temperature, but it's the vegetable shortening with flour mixture. I hope you guys learned a lot from this simple trick to achieve the salakot or dome top shape.